Alright everybody, hello and welcome back to a brand new video with Jeff. If you guys are here to learn how to buy some SLD soldier nodes, then you're in the right place. Let's get right to it. Alright everybody, we're over here on Google and we are about to pick ourselves a wallet to be able to get our SLD tokens. Now, you guys asked me for what wallet I recommend. Now, the wallet that I use and that I love is MetaMask. Here. Cool. MetaMask wallets. And then it pulls right up right here. You've got MetaMask, crypto, and gateway to blockchain apps. Now, I love MetaMask because MetaMask can be configured to be with any blockchain. If you want to be on Avalanche or Binance or Ethereum network, Polygon network, you know, all you need is some configurations from Google and you can load it right up in your MetaMask and you can trade whatever coins are on that blockchain and store them in a nice safe wallet. So let's get started. Now, I already had it, so it's not going to let me do it. So here's three methods that you're going to be able to download. You can do it on Google Chrome if you're on your PC. You can do it on iOS if you're on your iPhone, or Android if you've got a smartphone. So you've got three choices. If you're on the phone, you can use that version. I have the Chrome version, so you hit install and it'll bring you to the Chrome web store. Inside of the Chrome web store, you'll be able to download your MetaMask, install it, and then pin it up here on your browser. You absolutely will want to pin this to the top of your browser, just like I have. I believe you'd use this button right here, this button, and then come down here and you'd be able to pin it to the top, just like I did with my Binance wallet. Once you download your MetaMask, fill out your basic information, you'll be able to load this puppy up right here. And by default, you're going to be on the Ethereum mainnet. Now, that's the only one you're going to have, and you're not going to be able to get SLD from that point. So, after you download your MetaMask wallet, you're going to come on over here and you're going to ask for the Avalanche wallet MetaMask right here. How do I set up MetaMask on Avalanche? And then this is from Avax network support themselves. This is the Avalanche network support, so they know best. Right here, see? So this is what your MetaMask looks like. Right now, you're gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to come up and get your custom RPC. I'll show you right here, add network. And when you hit add network, they're gonna ask you for 5 fields. You're gonna have network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Now, if you look right here, all of this information is right here for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste them one at a time. Copy and paste, back and forth. You know, make sure you take your time with this and get it correct, because this is really important, guys. This is currently being used by the Avalanche network, so see, it's correct. And then you'll punch in the rest of your digits and it will add this. So instead of having just your Ethereum, you'll pull that open and it will show the Avalanche network. Have you guys made it? Great, you guys are here. Now it's time to fund your MetaMask from Avax. Now there's a few different ways to do this. You could do it on KuCoin, you could do it on Coinbase. You could probably do it on most of your brokerages as long as you can send your coins elsewhere. My recommendation would be Coinbase. Coinbase.com. Here you go. You can get started and sign up right here. So the sad thing is, if you don't already have a Coinbase, you're going to have to get approved on your Coinbase in order to use your Coinbase. But if you're already on your Coinbase, great. You've already got a large portion of this already figured out for you. You're going to pull out your Coinbase account. It's going to load up your dashboard right here. And then you can go into Buy. Cool. So here, buy. You scroll down. We're better off just typing it in. It's not a hard name. Avalanche. There it is. So see, you can buy up to $1,000 with your debit card, up to $5,000 with your bank account, and also $5,000 with Google Pay. Now, I really recommend Google Pay. The fees are way lower on Google Pay if you want to send money through Google Pay, and all you have to do is get the Google Pay, basically connect it to your Coinbase, and then connect your debit card to your Google Pay, and it'll still pay through your debit card. It'll just pay from Google Pay into your Coinbase, and in doing this lets you send these funds back out immediately. Google Pay will immediately transfer the funds. If you do your debit card, these funds are going to be stuck in your Coinbase until they clear. So go ahead and use your Google Pay. You'll get, let's say you're going to get $1,000 worth your Avalanche. Great. So you're going to get 9.39 Avax. Alrighty guys, so now that we're in our Coinbase account, we're going to look up our Avax. Now we don't have any in here, but this is what you would do. You would select, I'm going to send 100 Avax. You'd come back to your MetaMask, and you need to make sure you're on Avalanche network. Do not leave it on Ethereum mainnet, or else these funds will be lost. Switch to Avalanche network. It is the same exact copy ID, but you have to switch. Copy your ID. Just make sure you copy it just like that, and then you can bring it on over here, paste it here. It'll know, see, Avax address, and it'll know, and you'll be able to hit send and send it directly to your Avax wallet. Now, moments later, it's pretty quick. It happens all like within less than 60 seconds on Avax. Once you have your actual Avax right in here, you'll be able to go and buy yourself your SLD. Now right now SoldierNodes is trading at 965, so if you wanted 10, you need 10 soldiers in order to equal one army. 10 coins equal one node. It's just the terminology that they use because it's supposed to be designed to be a game. Now fortunately right now it's going to cost you less than $100 to get one node. This is how much I actually have. I have 100 coins / 100 soldiers / 10 armies, which yields me 10% daily, which would mean I get 10 coins a day, and this is my current daily return from SoldierNodes based on an initial investment around here. I actually spent about 1,000 when I got in, and at some point my 1,000 was worth, you know, 2,400, and this actually is a pretty good time to buy. Not financial advice, and don't ever invest money that you can't afford to lose. So now that we're in here, a lot of people use Trader Joe if they want to get their SoldierNodes. You can actually check it out. You can go right here onto their website from CoinMarketCap, SoldierNodes, soldiernodes.tech, their link, and come right in here and hit buy on Trader Joe. Hit I understand, and now in here it would say connect in the top corner of your screen, and then you'd want to connect your wallet so that way it can read how much Avax you actually have. Now your SLD is already in here, so let's check it out. It will let me buy up to 2 SLD. You hit swap, confirm swap, and then it's going to pull up your wallet, and then it's going to ask you for the total. This is your estimated gas fee right here. This is approximately a $2 gas fee right now, and you'll hit approve. Once you do that, you need to sit tight for a minute. Don't do anything. It's gonna say, I'll show you where it says it. It'll say pending right here in the top corner of your screen, and it's gonna take a few minutes for this actually to go through. If you do anything, you might risk messing something up. You just want to like go get yourself a cup of coffee while this is happening. Go use the bathroom or whatever, come back, and when you refresh your page and refresh your wallet, you should then have your SLD tokens right here inside of your wallet. Now, Trader Joe is one way that you could do this. I do not use Trader Joe. I did not buy any of my tokens through Trader Joe. I went over here to margin swap, and I went to spot, and like, check it out. You come over here, and you can copy their contract. Make sure it's actually SoldierNodes. Copy their contract. Go right here. Paste this plain text, SLD, and look at, check it out. You can do the same exact thing you did on the other site, on this site, and I like this site better. So you guys can use either or, margin swap or Trader Joe. I'll put the link in the description for both of them. If you have any questions or you need any help, I'll even put an email address that you guys can reach me, and I'll try to get to all your questions. I'll be checking the comments, make sure that you guys got this all figured out, because this is, in my opinion, a pretty good opportunity. It is very small in price compared to the competitors. The competitors are $236 a coin and $412 a coin. So this is a really cheap one, and to be able to make $100 a day off of a $965 investment is pretty good, you know. And once you buy this, you do not ever get your coins back. It's a non-refundable purchase essentially. So you take your 10 soldier coins, your 10 SLD coins, and when you have your 10 SLD coins, I'm glad I didn't miss this part. When you have 10 SLD coins, you're going to connect right in here, right? And then you're going to go to constitute. It'll show 10 soldiers. You'll have 10 soldiers right here. Once you have 10 soldiers, you're going to want to click on one army. 10 soldiers equals one army. You'll be able to create an army. It'll load up your wallet. You'll have to approve it. You'll wait a few minutes, 2-3 minutes it takes, maybe 5 minutes, you know, another moment you want to go get a cup of coffee, and then refresh, and it should show one army. Now each army is gonna yield you, like mine right here, each army is gonna yield you 1 coin a day. So I have 10 armies, 10 nodes, and they give me 10 coins a day. I claim them all at one time. I hit claim, claim, claim. I go all the way down the list like this, and I claim them all at one time, and they immediately get pushed into my wallet, and then it'll show 10 SLD right here, and then I can go back to margin swap, and that's when you would paste your contract address in there, right? And you'd punch in your 10 SLD, and you'd get an Avax coin in return, and then this is when you'd be able to send your Avax. So you send Avax back out to your Coinbase account. So in order to do this, you'd hit receive and Avax, right? And boom, there it is, Avax address. See that? You copied your Avax address, you come back in here, you boom it back in there, and then you can select whatever Avax you want to send. If you got 1 Avax for your SLD, you can send your 1 Avax back to Coinbase, and then sell it in Coinbase, and then immediately wire the money back to the bank, because Coinbase has a feature that for a small fee you can immediately get your funds transferred back to your bank account. So this is the whole process, start to finish, exactly how you get your SLD in the first place, how you stake it, how you get your money back at the end. And I sure hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys really do check out this investment. It's not financial advice. I like this investment, but that's my opinion. They have a world war coming. It's an NFT game that will actually be able to fight with our soldiers in. So this is exciting. This is the first ever play to earn NFT node game. It's crazy, and they're doing something nobody else has done, and it's pretty cool. They have a really strong group. The community is really good in the Discord. You know, our price dipped. Where is it? Our price dipped, and that's how you guys are going to be able to get it so cheap right now. Our price dipped today, and there wasn't any FUD being spread in the Discord. Everybody was so calm, collective, positive. Everybody was like, cool, a dip, time to buy some more coins. And I thought that was really, really cool. I hope this helped you guys. If you guys got some value out of this, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I got more videos waiting for you.